Has this ever happened to you?
Oh shoot, I'm late for class.
Oh no, there's a fire.
It's fine. The closer will stop the fire from spreading.
Wait, is the door fireproof?
Well, not anymore with our top-of-the-line fireproof door with door closer.
With our super advanced door closing technology, you won't get hit by the door as you're walking to class.
Darn, I'm late for class.
And the materials the door is built with will surely withstand fire.
Yo, there's a fire.
It's fine. The closer will stop the fire from spreading.
Wait, is the door fireproof?
Of course it is. The door is made using fireproof material.
Right.
Yes!
So what are you waiting for? Order our door now, and it just might save your life.